The Crow and the Fox. One bright morning, a crow was flying around and saw a piece of cheese on a windowsill.
Oh, cheese! Yummy! Even if my friends beg me, I'm not sharing.
The crow quickly took the cheese in his beak and flew off high in the sky. After flying far, far away, the crow landed on a branch.
I've never seen a bird as beautiful as you.
Upon hearing these wonderful words, the crow immediately began to look around.
Huh?
And how do you keep your feathers so lustrous?
The crow could see the fox under the tree, praising him.
You can't fool me. I know you're just after my cheese.
Thought the